Berlin is the capital and largest city of Germany, known for its rich history, vibrant culture, and modern atmosphere. Here's a 3-day Berlin travel itinerary. Day 1, discover Berlin's history. Brandenburg Gate. Start your day at this iconic landmark and learn about its history. Reichstag building. Visit the Parliament building and take in the panoramic views from the glass dome. Make sure to book tickets in advance. Berlin Wall Memorial. Explore the remnants of the Berlin Wall and learn about its significance. East Side Gallery. Walk along the longest remaining stretch of the Berlin Wall, now covered in street art. Dinner at Hackischer Markt. Enjoy a variety of restaurants in this trendy district. Explore Alexanderplatz. Stroll around the main square and see the iconic TV tower. Day 2, Museums and Culture. Museum Island. Start at the Pergamon Museum or the Altes Museum if you're into history and culture. Berlin Cathedral. Take in the stunning architecture of this Baroque cathedral. Museum Island. Start at the Pergamon Museum or the Altes Museum if you're into history and culture. Berlin Cathedral. Take in the stunning architecture of this Baroque cathedral. Gendarmenmarkt. Visit this beautiful square with the French and German cathedrals. Berlin's Jewish Museum, a fascinating museum with a deep, moving history. Dinner in Kreuzberg. Head to this vibrant neighborhood for international cuisine and lively atmosphere. Night walk along the Spree River. Enjoy the city's skyline and peaceful river views. Day 3, Parks, Views, and Modern Berlin. Start your day with a relaxing walk through Tiergarten Park, a large and beautiful green space in the heart of the city. Start your day with a relaxing walk through Tiergarten Park, a large and lush green space in the heart of Berlin. Then, climb to the top of the Victory Column for fantastic views of the city. It's a great way to soak in Berlin's beauty from above. In the afternoon, head over to Potsdamer Platz, a modern square bustling with shops, restaurants, and the iconic Sony Center. Afterward, visit Checkpoint Charlie, the famous border crossing between East and West Berlin during the Cold War. It's a place rich with history and stories. End your trip with a dinner at a rooftop restaurant, enjoying a meal while overlooking the city's stunning skyline. After dinner, explore Berlin's nightlife. Whether you prefer a laid-back bar or a lively club, Berlin offers a vibrant nightlife scene that caters to all tastes. If you enjoyed learning about Berlin, make sure to hit that like button. Don't forget to subscribe for more amazing travel tips and stories. See you in the next adventure.